Are you excited, honey?
For Filipino? Filipino food? Filipino barbecue?
Pupunta kami ng Filipino street food.
Yeah.
Nakain kami ng barbecue and it's his first time to try
Yeah,
Filipino
let's go try it.
barbecue.
We'll give you advice later. Yeah, let's go. Restaurant kiosk.
We are here. We arrived.
Bring me here.
No.
Two table. Where is restaurant buffet? Not oh, we have football. خلاص I will go play football. Wala
Kaya
football
ako.
there. We'll play football.
Okay, nandito na po kami. Special food. We can sit there, honey.
What is this?
It's Filipino food. Barbecue.
What is the kofta?
No kofta this one.
Kofta barbecue. Barbecue.
Hmm,
No barbecue.
no.
Ah, wala big.
This one, the unlimited all.
What is this?
This one, chicken. And
Where's the chicken?
that one, chicken. Hello po. Unlimited to lahat, diba?
Opo,
Ah,
yan
next
po
ah.
yung unli.
Opo.
39.
39.
May lugaw na
Where is the
kasama,
pork of chicken?
kanin.
Huh?
Where is the pork for
This
chicken?
one.
That's all our chicken, sir.
First time niya kasi.
And this one what?
Chicken.
That
Ah.
is barbecue.
See? This chicken?
Yes, it's chicken, that one.
It's a shock of beef. If you order balut, I will balut from here. Huh?
No, I will not.
Balut, no. Because I will balut from here.
We will sit, honey.
Yan, pili na kayo lang.
I want to sit.
There. Yeah, choose first, honey.
What?
We will choose
From
first.
here?
Yes.
Something I know. At least something I know.
You can choose, sir.
Give me something chicken.
That's all our chicken. You can choose whatever you want. They have chicken feet. Yeah,
This what? This one?
ano ba yan, leg?
Oh.
That is leg, sir.
Yalla, let's try this leg.
How many pieces?
Yalla.
Here
Khalas, one leg, one wings.
Here in Filipino food, you need to take plate and you will choose.
You can choose, sir.
Self-service?
Yes.
This is a new
They
one.
have lugaw.
Self-service, huh? Ya Rab. خلاص, let's take this one and keep the plate here. Wallah, better. Bismillah. Where is the head? You don't eat head also?
They
You
have
eat everything from the chicken. You don't eat head?
No, it's head there.
Ah, wallah, you eat head. I'm joking.
That one neck.
Yes, neck, head, anything. The one here, let me try first. You have to try. Don't tell me I have to
Nice.
cook.
They
Not
need
cook.
to cook that
Ah.
one.
Start with something we know. Yalla. What is this one?
Chicken.
Yes, sir.
Ah, normal one, this one. Yalla, let's start this one.
Only that one you don't like chicken feet.
Let's start with this one. I have to try first.
This only, sir?
Try first.
Unli kayo lang.
Honey,
If
they
something
have
happened to me, I will kill you.
no. This one, that one, it's good.
Good for Filipina. I'm Lebanese, not Filipina.
But you must to try because
Yeah,
you
I have to try or I will sleep outside of home.
yes.
I have to try or I will sleep outside.
2 weeks now that I told you that I want to eat
That's why.
barbecue.
Let me go play football. Nice football, wallah.
You want to try sabaw,
What mean? What is
The soup.
cucumber?
lemon and cucumber.
You want?
Lemon yan, Tina? Oh, isa te. Try to drink that one. Say,
Cucumber with lemon? You eat a human in Philippines?
thank you po.
Take cucumber here.
What?
No, take cucumber. Give me this one. This one big. Give me, take the cucumber.
Napakuha pa niya yung cucumber niya.
You don't like sour. Why you don't drink lemonade?
No, this one, it's nice.
Yeah, because this one I pay. That's why nice. But if something I make for you sour, like this. Free sour you don't like, but sour pay, yeah, do you like?
But not too much.
Close.
At magdadasal daw muna siya bago siya kumain. Matakbo pa taon siya. Hello, eh. Ito na po, dumating na po yung... Ito yung kinuha ko, tsaka ayan yung kinuha niya.
Where's tools? Where's fork? Where is spoon?
No, you eat by hand.
By what?
By hand.
By what?
By hand.
How come by hand? I need khubuz.
No kubos here, honey.
Why no khubuz here?
See, look at what you ordered and my order.
Wallah, you are big fat. What I will do? Big stomach.
And this one, the sauce, honey. This one spicy. This one
Are you
not.
sure this one safe?
It's safe, that one, 100%.
Are you sure?
Yes, honey.
I'm not dead.
No, you will not dead. You will dead at home, and I will kill
No,
you.
for you normal. You eat a human. No problem for you.
We are
Bismillah.
waiting the chicken, the rice. It's nice, right?
Mm.
It's nice. I told you
Wallah,
it's nice.
The kitty came. But sauce too much. Wallah, nice. And the chef good.
Barbecue like that in Philippines.
Wallah?
Yes.
Nice.
And we are waiting the rice.
But sauce too much.
Why you did not tell?
I don't know they will put sauce. Tell what? Don't know anything about this one.
Have tissue there. Put tissue little. Put like that, honey.
I tried this one before. I don't like those.
You eat this one? You eat this one?
Let's see the leg.
The chicken, inside the chicken. Try it. Put here.
No taste.
Nice one. I told this one nice.
Nice. Hey, what think about you?
No, it's same that one.
Mm.
I put only soy sauce.
Let's try the legs. This legs,
No, that one neck.
neck,
Yes.
no neck hook. Nice. يلا خلاص turn off. Let's start.
Try that one, honey. That one, it's sopas. This one, beef, egg, sopas.
What's sopas?
Sopas, chicken.
Where is the
Chicken.
rice?
Wait. You need to taste this one. This one free. Together with the unlimited.
Wallah, I convince anyone come here to special cafeteria.
Hindi, claro. What happened to your face? You don't like?
No much something wrong. Onion, garlic. I
You
don't
don't
like too
like
much.
garlic and onion.
I like, but not like this. I don't like the piece. I like powder or snatch. Not like this.
Hindi siya maarte, pero first time niya kasi kumain ng lugaw. I never make like this. Ano no?
No, no, not allowed.
Not out loud.
Not allowed. Home we make kufta. نايس.
You're
الحمد
finished?
لله. الحمد لله الذي تمت علينا الصالحات وهذا الطعام. لا إله إلا الله. Perfect.